Hi everyone, this is Sam from SamuraiMini.com. Got a very nice, well-appointed Hijet Jumbo here. This one's got a 2.5 inch lift on it as well. So you can put some bigger wheels and tyres on that pretty easily. See the lift up there. Body's nice and clean. Very low mileage, late models, 2019 year. It's done about 2,000 Ks. It's about 1,200–1,300 miles. You can see the deck under there is very clean. It's got this mat to keep it from getting scratched. All the body, drop sides, all very nice, tidy condition. See a small window in there. It's got the extended cab inside, clean, tidy condition. It's got a 5-speed manual, high-low range, switchable 4-wheel drive. It's got a rear diff lock as well. I'll just start it up. So you can see there, 2,137 kilometers, not very much. It's got your 4-wheel drive, diff lock, put that into gear, rear diff's lock, press that one, light comes on there, it's on 4-wheel drive. This one's also got the cameras in the front for pre-crash safety, so if you're coming up to a car in front and you're getting too close, it will stop you from hitting it, apply the brakes. It's got traction control, can be turned on and off there. So altogether very well appointed. It's got a rear load light as well in the back. Stereo's not in it at the moment, you can put whatever stereo in you like. It's just a doubled in aperture, fits most stereos. Extended cab at the back, small window, and it's also got a higher roof as well than the normal one, so that's also useful if you're tall, give you a bit more room. So this truck's going to be on its way to US very shortly. If you're interested in this one or something like this, or you'd like to be a distributor of these vehicles in America, get on our website SamuraiMini.com and have a look, see what you think. There's a lot of information on there, and hopefully you'll find it interesting. Thank you very much for watching.